in my tent and place them both in mine.
You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. Now I'm back to see you dance just one more